This was in front of you. Have a nice day. Today, extension of our Navodaya classes, I am going to explain about face value and place value. Face value and place value. In previous classes, we discussed about Indian system and international system, how to express the words in easiest manner. I explained clearly. Today, also we are going to discuss about face value, place value, and expand form of a number. Let us come to the topic. First, face value. Yeah, see, face value of a number. Next, place value of a number. Simple. We can every student out of 100%, 90% of the student sometimes they are maybe going to confuse about these two topics under the grade of fifth class students. Those who are going to write the Navodaya entrance exam, as students I am telling to you, maybe 90% of the students are maybe confused about these two positions, these two concepts. What is face value? Face value of a digit is equal to the face value of a digit in a numeral is equal to the digit number itself. One second. Face face value of a digit in a numeral is equal to the digit in a number itself, irrespective of place occupied. Irrespective of place occupied, then we can write place value is very easy. Face value is very easy. In such example, you see in 346. In 346, find the face value of 4. Just I told you clearly in my definition, face value of a digit in a numeral is equal to the digit number itself, irrespective of place value, place occupied. Yes, place value of 4. Here, what is it? Action tens position, but don't take irrespective of place value. What is the number is given, that number should be represented. So, face value is 4 only. Face value of 4 is 4 only. I did not write here 40. I did not write here 40 because irrespective of place value. Okay. Next, let us come to second example. In 2021, find the find face face value of face value of 1. Face value of 1. It is one's position. Don't multiply with the place value. Irrespective of place value, the face value of 1 is 1 only. Face value is 1 only. Let us some beautiful apply mathematics I want to say in front of you. When we are going to see in front of you, when we are going to stand in front of the mirror, our face only will appear on the mirror. Our face only appear on the mirror. Here, what is there in our face? That should be represented on the mirror. Means my name is one number. One number only will be represented on the mirror. My number is 6. 6 only will be represented on the mirror. My number is 4. My face value is also 4. Our face only represented in the mirror. So no changes. So that is also one kind of to understand face value. 4 is there, 4 will come. 1 is there, 1 will come. 9 is there, 9 will come. That is the examples of face value, how to understand in easiest manner. I explained clearly. Once again, I am telling you, if you have to stood in front of the mirror, your face only will be there in the mirror. Another person's face will not there. Face will not there. No, like that. Face value of 4 is 4 only. Face value of 1 is 1 only. Okay, na? These are the examples. Come to understand in your way. Next, what about place value? Face, place. Simple definition. Place value of a digit in a numeral depends on its place value occupied. Place value of a digit in a numeral, it depends on places, respective of places occupied. Irrespective of places occupied, respective of places occupied. See one example. Same example I am going to take better because better to understand for you. In 346, find 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 place value of 4. Same question I have taken here. Place value of 4 and the place value of 4 simple. Respective here, respective of place value occupied, respective of place value occupied. Therefore, once tens, this is the tens position. 10 into 4 is equals to 40. So, place value of 4 is 40. Place value of 4 is 40. See one more example. In, in 987, find place value of 8. Once tens. Okay, you can take tens position. 10 into 8. 80. Okay, understand? This is the place value of 8. Place value of 8 is equals, which is under tens position, 10 into 8, 8. Here, tens position, 10 into 4, 40. You can take any number with the respective of its place position. We have to write the answer without any tension. Face value, your face value will come in the mirror. Means same number will be represented as answer. In place value, same number will not come. The number is multiplied with its place value. Respective of place value. Respective of place value is occupied. This is the difference of place value, face value. Here face value is 4 only. But here place value of 4 is 40. Remember. Face value of 4 is 4. Place value of 4 is 40. This is the changes you have to understand. Viewers. Expand form of a numerals. Expand form of a numbers. What we have discussed? Face value, place value. This face value and place value together will help to expand form of numerals. Yeah. Face value, with the help of face and place value, we have to expand the any kind of number. In this notation, you should remember, in this notation, from left to right, we have to expand the number with the sign of plus. Now, let us see one example. Yes, now expand form. Expanded form or expand form. Expand form of numeral or number. Numeral or number. In what way we have to write it in the easiest manner? Here, viewers here. Yes, this is very important of you. Example. Right, I am taking one example. 2346. 2346. What are the place values? Place values 2, 3, 4, 6 only. What are the place values, dear children? Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Just I told you, in this notation, from left to right, you should go 1000 into face value is 2 plus, using the notation, in the notation plus sign is plus, 100 into face value is 3 plus, again plus, tens into 4 again plus, ones into 6, face value is 6. Okay. Now 10 into 1000 into 2, 2000 plus 100 into 3, 300 plus 10 into 4, 40 plus 1 into 3, 6. This is your expand form of a number. This is your expand form of a number. Expand form of a number. 2346. Let us see one more example. 4096. Example 2. Yeah. Expand form of 4096. Here, as you know very well. Here gives ones, tens, 100, 1000. 1000 into 4, 4000. Directly I am writing here. Here already I have taken some easier steps, but I am going to write directly. 1000 position 4 is there. Place value of 4 is 4000 plus Here 0, under the 0, 100. Any number is 100 into 0 becomes 0 to 100 only. 100 into 0, 0 will soon will come. Here hundreds multiplied with 0, 0. So any number multiplied with 0, 0 will come now. You know the property. So 100 into 0, 0 will come. Next, tens position 9. 10 into 9, 90. Last one, 0. O means once. 1 into 6, 6. So 4000, hundreds position 2 zeros, 4000, 100 position 2 zeros, and 96. 4096 expand form is like this. Here 0 will come, you have to keep 2 zeros. Because why should I take 2 zeros? The 0 under the comes of 100. 100 having how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. For suppose 0 comes in the place of 9, you can take 1 0. Because 10 is having 1 0 only, no. This is also very important expand form of a number. For example, 2011. In that also we have to see ones, tens, hundred, thousand. In thousand position, what is the number is there? 2. 2 into 1000, 2000. Next symbol is plus. 100 position is 0. 100 into 0, 0. You have to write 2 zeros and as 1 0. No problem at all. 0 will come. Plus tens position 1 is there, 10 1 are 10. Plus 1 plus then 1 position 1. 1 plus 1 is 1 only there. 1 into 1, 1. This is called expand form of a numbers. Okay. Here you can take instead of 2 zeros, you can take 1 0 also. Correct. This is the expand form. Next, simplest form of a number. Let's see one example about simplest form. Expand form of a number with the help of face value and place value together. We have to left to right. By using the plus symbol, we have to write the expand form. In simplest form, after giving the expanded form of number, we have to write into simplest manner. Okay, na? How do you see one example? 80,000, 9,732. This is your question. One example. Second example. 5,032. These are the two expanded form questions are given on the board. Here, what are the number 80,000, 9,732? You have to observe here what is the notation is they followed in the question. Yeah, here 4 zeros, 3 zeros, 2 zeros, 1 zero, no zero. It is in decreasing order. That zeros are coming to in decreasing order. Immediately we can write this answer by taking the values of in the question. Directly. 8, 9, 7, 3, 2. That's it. When the zeros are in decreasing order, 5, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Like that, it is in decreasing order. We can write direct number except the zeros. The numbers what are there in the question? You can write it here. Except 0, 8. Except 0, 9. Except 0, 7. Except 0, 9. This is your simplest form of given question. Next here you see 3 zeros. Next 2 zeros is not there. 1 0 only there. Such kind of questions when you are going to write in simplest form, first you write the number 5. 5,000 after hundreds is not there. Means it should be 0. 0. Next 30 means 3. 2. Yeah. 5,000 means 5 only come. Next 100 is not there. No, in the place of 100 you can write 0. Next 32. 32. 5,032. 5,032. In expand form, 5,032 we have written a beta. 5,000 plus ones, tens, 100, 1,000. 1,000 into 5, 5,000. 100 into 0, 0 only. Plus 10 into 3, 30, 1 into 2. 5,000 plus 0 plus 30 plus 2. Here 0 is not given, but in our internal idea, we have to keep in 100 position is 0. 100 position is 0. Okay. I hope you understand about concept of expand form and simplest form. Next class, we are going to discuss about by using some digits. By using some digits, you have to form a greatest number and smallest number. To find a greatest number and smallest number, this kind of questions will be appear in your Navodaya entrance exam. Next class, we have to see discuss about that. Hi viewers, and I hope you have to understand this one. And don't forget me like and subscribe my channel to encourage me. Have a nice day. God bless.